Awesome. Okay, we're on page 85. So turn to page 85. Let's stand and do the flag salute. You can remove your hood from your head there.
Remove our head.
Hood. Ready? Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Page 85 is about adverb clause or prepositional phrase. Notice, oh, do you guys remember? Adverb clauses are the www.asia words.
Yeah.
.b. What are those words?
When, while, where.
When, while, where.
Yes.
As, since, if, all, wait. As,
Uh-huh.
if,
Although, when.
because.
Yes, you nailed it. Good,
I
Nico.
forgot the age. As,
When, while, where.
Hey.
And there's ether. We don't have to wonder where ether is anymore.
Why is there's like old metal chairs around, but then we have like two very nice chairs right there.
That's because we didn't have enough metal chairs for all of them. And I need a chair and then we needed one extra for my last class usually. So we're on page 85 talking about www.asia words. Nico nailed all of them. So woohoo, Nico. When, while, where, as, since, if, although, because. Those are the Asia words. Now you can see them here. If you would have looked here, you would have seen them here. Notice that as and since and because are bold. You guys see that?
Yes.
That's because they are also on another list right underneath that. These are the prepositional phrases, phrase list. This is prepositions. So notice as is in both. And so is because. One of them says because of in the preposition. You see that? Because of. So whenever you see it together like that, because of, that means it's part of a preposition. If you see because by itself, that's usually an adverb clause that you, the www.asia.b word. And then the word since is in both. So they're showing you this because you have to pay attention to how it's used in the sentence, Trevor. So reading the sentence is going to tell you how it's being used. If it's an adverb clause, remember clauses have verbs. Clauses have what?
Verbs.
And do prepositional phrases have verbs?
No.
No, they don't. Clauses have verbs. Clauses have verbs. So you got to pay attention to that. Is there a verb nearby? Then it's probably a clause. If there's no verb, it's a phrase, a prepositional phrase. Look at the bottom examples down here. Here's an adverb clause. It says, as Johnny gave orders, the mice followed. So you have as,
Wait, where is that?
right, kind of in the middle of your page here, where it says adverb clause right here.
Oh.
As Johnny gave orders. So as is a www word. Gave is your verb. It's near it. So guess what? It's a clause because clauses have verbs, right? The mice followed. And then look at the prepositional phrase example. The next one down here, right in the middle. As a leader. As a leader does not have a verb, right? Leader is a noun. There's no verb there. So that's a prepositional phrase. As a leader, don't start yawning. Johnny took charge. Okay, took charge. Those are verbs, but it's not right next to the phrase. So that's how you know. Okay. The word because usually begins an adverb clause. However, when because is followed by of, the two words together are a preposition. Now I'm down here at this adverb clause. Johnny ate because the food was tasty. Because the food was tasty is a clause. Because was is a verb, right? The food was tasty. But look at the next example. Johnny ate because of the tasty food. That is different because it has because of, that's a prepositional phrase. So you guys see the difference between those two? Okay. Let's turn the page. Who would like to read the sentence today? Go ahead, Wyatt. If you can stop yawning already. Yay.
Oh, I had to wake up early today.
Welcome to the early club.
I didn't. How about the eight?
I wake up at like.
I woke up at 5 too, so. See, if you start yawning, you're gonna make me start yawning.
Good.
No, okay, read the sentence.
As night, Timmy couldn't sleep because of the tall clock which noisily signaled each hour.
Do you guys know what a grandfather clock is?
Yes.
Okay, and it does ding or it signals. That word signals means it makes a noise. Oh, okay, cool. Every hour and sometimes even every half hour. They're old clocks. We don't really have this. You are killing me over here. You need to slap yourself a little bit. Wake up, Wyatt. Wake up a little bit. I'm gonna have you do some jumping jacks in a second here. Signaled just means that it made noise. It's like, it's dinging. Like for 1 o'clock, it dings one time. It goes bong. If it's 2 o'clock, bong, bong. If it's 3 o'clock, bong, bong, bong. Get it? Okay.
Yeah, 12 o'clock.
So,
bong, bong,
yeah,
bong,
that's the long one.
ding, dong.
Look, so put a check by vocabulary, it just made a sound, and then article, go ahead and find it, mark it. Here comes Gina. Okay. Gina, come on in. We're on page 85, 87. Just kidding. Next is, do you want to come through here? You guys scoot forward just a little so she can fit through there. Okay. Nouns, Wyatt.
Sleep.
No, nouns, person, place, thing.
Timmy.
Timmy, there you go, is one.
Night.
Okay, night,
Hour.
good. 3, one more.
Clock.
There you go. Nico, how about adjectives?
Yes. Noisily? Oh, wait, that's
No,
not.
yeah. Look at the noun. Let me give you a clue, because look at the noun and then look at like what would tell what kind
Ding.
or how
Could
often.
Not, couldn't.
No.
Ding.
Look at-
Noisily?
Look at the noun clock. No.
Tall.
There you go. Tall clock. So tall is an adjective. Look at the word hour. Which hour?
Each.
There you go.
I like
Okay,
that too.
2 adjectives. Ethier, what about the ly adverb? You got the easy one. He's really thinking. Noisily, yes.
Jeez. Wait, no, it could be on Polster.
Noisily. Okay. We'll skip the prepositional phrases. Let's come back to that. How about Jana? What about the who or which clause?
Which
Good.
noisily
Signaled
signal.
each.
Hour?
Yes, goes all the way to the end. So which noisily signal each hour? That is the which clause. We're gonna put W/W to label that. Okay, and there's just one, so you got that. Trevor, verbs. Where are the verbs at?
Sleep.
Good.
Signal.
Yes.
Oh, no, that's, okay, is there a helping verb?
Yes, there's a helping
Okay.
verb.
Ah,
Yes, it's actually the could part of couldn't, so make sure you put it over the top of could. By the way, couldn't, Trevor, we need to do something with it. Do you know what we need to do there? It's missing something. Yes, you may. What did you say, Trevor?
An apostrophe.
Yes, where does it go?
I don't mean to.
Between the NT, okay, good.
Between there.
Yeah.
Between the N and the T, okay, good. Now the subjects, back to Wyatt. So who are we talking about here?
Tim.
Tim. That's the first subject, and then,
Clock.
no.
No.
Noisy.
So look at the who which clause. Do you guys remember? What is the subject usually in the who which clause? It's usually who or which,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So which one is it? Which? So the subject in the which clause is which. I know that sounds weird, but
I
that's
guess
the
you
way
could
it
say
is.
which one is it?
I know, I'm
It's-
using the
it's-
word which. It's
it-
funny when you talk about it, how often you end up using it. That's the subject verb pairs. Okay, got that. Now, Nico, do you see the prepositional phrases? There's two.
At night, Timmy.
Just at night,
Oh, yeah,
actually, at night.
And, each hour?
Each is an adjective, so remember, it doesn't have a
I
label.
think I see it. Yeah. I think I see it.
Of the telephone?
Yes.
Well, there's one more word right
Because
before.
the tall-
There you go. Because of the tall clock. All right, we're all tired, okay? So give them a break.
It's one word
Did
off.
you say you got up at 5 o'clock? No, you got up at 8:30.
No,
You
it's
slept
20.
in. I don't remember the last time I
It's
slept
too-
until 8:30,
8:25. I went
8:25.
to sleep till 9. So maybe that's
I
cool.
slept until 9.
All right, we got that. And then we have either, hi, Simeon, capitals.
A.
Hey, everybody's here. Does that mean I can stop recording?
Yeah.
Yes, okay, good.
Virginia.